everyone. Today, we gather to celebrate the bright future to us, young graduates, to our MAMSAMs, amazing teachers, school staff, guests, supportive parents, guardians, and cheerful schoolmates. Welcome. To us graduates, we have brought so much joy and laughter to our school. Our curious mind and kind heart have made every day special as we spread our wings and fly into the next adventure. Remember that we are surrounded by love and support. Teachers, thank you